Programming is the art of turning imagination into reality. With just a few lines of code, you can bring your ideas to life and create something truly unique and powerful. From mobile apps to computer games, programming is the driving force behind some of the most innovative and exciting technological developments in the world today. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, the possibilities are endless. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, a career in programming can take you on a wild ride of discovery and creativity. Embrace the power of code and see where it can take you. Learn how to code and unlock a world of endless possibilities. From building websites to creating software, programming skills are in high demand. So start your journey today and join the ranks of successful developers. Enhance your career prospect and problem-solving abilities with a strong foundation in programming. From C# to Python, there are endless languages to choose. In conclusion, programming is a versatile and essential skill that can open doors to a wide range of exciting career opportunities. From building websites to creating software, the demand of skilled programmers is only set to increase in the coming years. So, why wait? Start learning and take the first steps towards a rewarding and fulfilling career in the world of programming.